Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will explain about belligerent and insurance. But before that, we will introduce our group. My name is Putri Amalia Soraya and last my number is 211.
My name is Yona Michelina, my last number 81. My name is Brana Runandira, last number 198.
My name is Miko Bayaprastia, my last number is 094.
My name is Fasel Faiz Arifian, my last number 101.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Amalia Soraya. You can call me Soraya and my study number is 211. I want to explain about belligerent. What is belligerent? Belligerent warring party. Definition about belligerent is a party in a non-international armed conflict or internal armed conflict. The belligerent that has been recognized by other countries or the international belligerent community as a having a certain degree of war, and this is definition about belligerent.
Well, next I will explain about belligerent law subject. The belligerent party is a limited subject of international law because it has rights and obligations in the law of war, IHL, or international humanitarian law, such as the treatment of prisoners of war, the prohibition of attacking civilians. Here is the legal basis, the Hague Convention 1907. This convention regulates the law and custom of land warfare, including criteria for rebel groups to be recognized as belligerent. Geneva Convention 1949. This convention regulates the obligation of parties of the conflict to protect war victims and civilians and enforce international humanitarian law. Additional Protocol 2 1977. Additional Protocol 2 is a complement to the 1949 Geneva Convention, which specially regulates the legal protection of non-international armed conflict, including rebel groups that qualify for belligerent. The condition for the rebel group to be recognized as belligerent according to Additional Protocol 2 include 1. Has his own government organization and is responsible for the action of his subordinates. 2. Mastering certain areas effectively. 3. Having a clear identification or uniform and being supported by people in her territory and obeying the law and custom of war, including the protection of the civilian population. Then the last one, de facto recognition by other countries. This belligerent convention is an important aspect of the legal status of the rebel group. This recognition is declarative, which is recognizing the existing situation de facto, not creating a new status. With this acknowledgement, rebel groups are considered to have rights and obligations as subject of international law in the context of armed conflict.
Insurgent is an armored group who gains some country, but they don't recognize as belligerent. They will take up arms to fight against legitimate government. This is a legal basis of insurgent. First is Geneva Convention 1949 in a common Article 3. Armed conflict not an international character occurring in territory of one of the highest contracting parties, and 2 is Protocol 2, especially for non-international conflict. that provide about a minimum standard of human treatment during non-international armed conflict. That is, conflict occurring within the territory of a single state, such as civil war, insurgents, and rebellions. While Common Article 3 sets out basic protection, Protocol 2 is developed them into a full legal framework, and insurgents doesn't need recognition from another country.
I want to explain the legal subject. Insurgent can also be considered as limited subject of international law, depending on the intensity of the conflict and the level of their organization as regulated in Article Chapter 1, Verse 1 of Protocol 2 of the 1977 Geneva Convention.
I want to explain about OPM. OPM is a Free Papua organization. Is OPM a belligerent or insurgent? OPM or Free Papua organization. OPM is a separatist group that wants to separate Papua from Indonesia. OPM have a military, have organizational structure or TPNPB, emblems and political goals, and actively carry out armed resistance OPM. And then OPM status in according to international law is a not yet internationally recognized as belligerent. However, OPM, based on the internationality of the conflict and organization, OPM or Free Papua can be categorized as insurgent, not belligerent. According to Article 1 of Geneva Protocol 2, 1977.
Belligerent is a party to an armed conflict. Include rebel groups which can be recognized under international law as a legal subject with certain rights and obligations if they have fulfilled the recruitment, such as having their own government organization, effectively controlling the territory and complying with the law is war. While insurgent is the initial stage of a rebellion where the group does not yet have sufficient organization and territorial control so that it has not been fully recognized as a subject of international law. So it can be concluded that insurgent is a rebel group that has not reached the level has fulfilled certain recruitment, so that is recognized as a party to the war and has international legal capacity.